I think it might be time to baby-proof. What do you think? What you got in there, Bucky? What you got? Dylan. Oh, Lord. What are we going to do? Dylan. Say hi. Oh, goodness. And what do we do with all the cords? Yes, darling. You can't have the cords. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.